Atongoria na Kenya ni manyitanire hari gukungwira muthi wa kurumbuia maria maturigiciirie. Mutongoria wa bũrũri William RUTO agitongoria mambura maya guku Nairobi thuku-ini wa State House Primary. President RUTO akiuga thirikari yake ni kuheana miti ya kuhanda guothe bũrũri-ini kwĩ rũhonge rwa mĩtitũ rũnyitani na rũhonge rwa mbeũ njĩthĩ NYS cigũkorwo igithondeka nathari 300 cia miti ya kuhanda mĩtitũ-ini.
We have agreed now as a government that we are going to scale up. The bottleneck that we have had over the last 2 years is the availability of seedlings. Many people are looking for seedlings in all manner of places. They cannot find the seedlings. And as a result, we have different interventions to make sure that there is availability of seedlings. We have mobilized our military to produce seedlings, National Youth Service to produce seedlings, our prisons to produce seedlings, forest community organizations to produce seedlings, private sector people to produce seedlings. We have asked the Ministry of Education, and the PS is here, to work with the members of parliament so that we access budget from the Constituency Development Fund. We have now isolated 5% of the Constituency Development Fund for purposes of seed production by young people in different parts of Kenya.
Mihang'o ta ino igitwarithio na mbere thuku-ini wa Kianwe gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Ndia ni mwandiki ndundu-ini ya Minister Mercy Wanjaũ akiuria muingi uhimbirie kuhacithia maria maturigiciirie.
Ni kati ya mpango wa serikali ya Kenya kwa kupanda miti bilioni 15 kufikia mwaka wa 2032. 15 billion trees by 2032 kote nchini.
Nake Minister wa Mayaris Wahome auma gicigo-ini gia Kandara thuku-ini wa Karumu kuria atwarithitie mihang'o ta ino akiuga thirikari ni gutigira mititu ni yagitirwo ria kwagiriire.
As a government, there is no room for encroaching into the forest, but one would want to look and see whether the areas already encroached, and indeed the cabinet assists of that particular request by various communities that have been living on formerly known forests, and they still remain as gazetted forests, but they have not been released formally and legally to the communities that are living there.
Minister wa ugendi Rebecca Miano auma kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua mihang'o-ini ya kuhanda miti akinyiria muingi mwena uyu kugitira maria maturigiciirie.
Na thimu ya mwaka uyu ni kuhanda miti ya matunda, tondu twahanda miti ya matunda ciana citu ni ikugia na matunda ma kuria magie na afya, na tukugia na benefit maita meri. Ni muragia na matunda na irio cia kuria na ni turahota go save environment.
Ni muthenya wa mwanya uria twiyamuriire kuhanda miti ya unduire, miti itu ya gutemaga riria turenda mbao, na makiria miti ya matunda ariguo muoroto na agenda ya mwaka uyu, tukihoka ati ni gucoka twike uteithio witu na ihinda riri twahanda miti, na ni tukurumirira twi hamwe na ene cukuru uyu na ni hamwe na ithue na arimu na community ya itura riri tuthie na mbere na kurangira miti no twahanda.
Mihang'o na ndumire atwarithitio na mbere ni Susan Kumincha uria rugameire thirikari rũhonge-ini rwa UN na Kumincha kihunjia ndumire ya guthaitira maria maturigiciirie mwena wa Trans Nzoia. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV gicagwo-ini wa AKIARIA.